Hey, so I want to do a quick video. I haven't done a follow-up on this thing for a while. I guess I've had it set up for almost a year now. So this is the Optoma short throw projector. I got it set up here in my basement. And we have enjoyed it. I've been lazy. I need to run these wires through the roof, the ceiling here, and get a better stand. But for right now, power it up here and give a quick little demonstration of it working. I have not had any issues with it. I know someone had mentioned about flickering in the Amazon comments. That is not something I've seen. So see here, turn it on, and we will turn on my Xbox. Give a quick little start up here. So right now, I think I have it 4.5 feet from the wall, and it's throwing I believe that is a 110-inch projection. And I have this cheap screen here for the for it. And I've been meaning to actually take some boards and tighten it up. You can see it's got wrinkles and stuff in it, but basically my kids use this for playing Xbox and PlayStation and Switch and stuff. And so let's see here, gets the sound up. I got a little cheap sound bar with the subwoofer here in the front. And pause that and here. It's kind of hard to tell. I mean, it throws off a pretty good picture actually. So let's see. Let's I don't know. We'll start Fortnite here real quick. Just kind of give an example. There it is. Not a game I actually play, but my kids play it. Pretty much, I enjoy it. I think it's a good buy. Sorry I haven't done a follow-up on this review from the first time. In all honesty, I like it for what it is. I think as soon as, for what I'm using here in the basement, as soon as I get a flat screen TV option that's 100 inches or more that I can get for under $2,000. Hopefully that'll come out in the next few years. I'd probably build my setup around it. There are some of the short throw laser projectors that you can watch Chris Majestic do reviews on. They're really awesome, but they're way out of my price range. You know, $3,000 to $5,000. Just not something I'm willing to pay. But, you know, it's for what it is. If you can get it on sale, I mean, it works really well. We enjoy it. We could get a little more out of it if I fixed the screen a little better and had a better sound system. But for my kids, I think I probably just logged my son out upstairs because he's on. Now that I think about it, he's probably going to come screaming now because I think he was playing Fortnite. Yep, I hear him getting up. All right, man. So if y'all got questions, just let me know. But this is it. Works really well. you know, it is what it is. I think it's good. I think it's a good buy.